Did you know that a cow's optimal body temperature for milk production is between 58 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit? When temperatures rise above this range, a cow's entire system goes into stress mode. This heat stress disrupts their metabolism and reduces milk production. It can also lead to lower milk quality and increased risk of disease. But there's a solution. Jasser Al Arab's dairy cow and cattle cooling system utilizes cutting-edge technology to create a cool and comfortable environment for your cows. Our system helps maintain optimal body temperature, promoting better health, higher milk production, and improved milk quality. Visit our website to learn more about the science behind keeping your cows cool and your dairy thriving.